Hello students. Today let me explain you about the second big state, Vatapi. Topic is Route to the Throne. Vatapi was the capital of Karnataka state in South India. It was ruled by the Solanki kings of the Chalukya dynasty. Children, remember that Vatapi was a huge state whose borders extended to far off regions. Pulkeshi first was the king of this huge capital. After him, his son Kirtivarma sat on the throne. Later on, brother of Pulkeshi first, Manglesh, became the king. Children, you should know that Manglesh built the grand Vishnu temple at Vatapi. And lastly, after Manglesh, Pulkeshi II became king and he ruled over the empire for about 30 years. Children, now next topic is Pulkeshi II. Period is 610 to 642 CE. Pulkeshi II was a brave king who won many battles. Children, you should know that his first victory was over Lath in South Gujarat, and then he gained victory over Gurjar in North Gujarat. He also conquered Vengi state located between the rivers Krishna and Godavari. He also won Andhra Pradesh. He transformed the capital Vatapi into a city of magnificence and splendor. Children, you should remember this point that after gaining victory over most of the regions of North India, Harshvardhan marched towards south to conquer it. The armies of Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi II fought a great battle near river Narmada in which Emperor Harshvardhan was defeated. Due to this war, Harshvardhan could not extend his empire beyond Narmada. Pulkeshi II was not only a great warrior but also a lover of arts. The caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri were built during his time. Children, you should remember that the world famous paintings on the walls of Ajanta caves were also done during his time. Huan Sang once visited the royal court of Pulkeshi II. He could not stop praising the king's love for art after seeing his court. Pulkeshi II was a follower of Hindu religion. Children, you should also know this point that hardly a few people followed Buddhism in its time. The impact of one of the sect of Jainism called Digambar increased in the reign of Pulkeshi II. Harshvardhan and Pulkeshi II were very brave kings. After fighting a few battles, Harshvardhan had feeling of satisfaction, so he stopped indulging into wars. On the other hand, Pulkeshi II was over ambitious. He kept on fighting all his life. He died while fighting with Palwa kings of Kanchipuram in 642 CE. King Harshvardhan died after 5 years of the death of Pulkeshi II, that is in 647 CE. Children, I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.